after row scattered all over this airfield is destroyed helicopters. There's even holes in the fuselage in the bodies. The ones that are intact, if you come inside them and you enter the cockpit, there's nothing here but shattered glass and destroyed equipment.
Like this helicopter, we completed the art lines, but some lines may be missing to that just not started. We will try to, maybe in 2 days we will solve it.
Operation successful.
When the Islamic Emirates of Afghanistan entered Kabul, the first guarantee they gave was general amnesty. I'm sure they will stand by their words. If we all left, who would have brought back this airfield to life? It doesn't matter to me who runs the country. Our duty is to protect the borders, protect the assets and the resources of Afghanistan.
The maintenance gets harder, the more complicated it becomes. And so the real question is not so much can the Taliban get these things off the ground one time or even a small number of times. The question is for how long could they sustain those airframes without being able to do some of the higher level maintenance that they require.